Hello everyone, I'm Robin with Robin's Wreathery and Robin's Personalized Gifts. As promised, I said I would go on today and show you how to put the beaded pen bar rack together. We're making some alterations to that. It was a little tight and we want it to be just so easy for you to put it together. So today I'm going to show you how to put together our beaded pokey tool rack. That took on a whole new light. We revamped it, made it easier. I think you're going to like it a lot better. So, Toots, please lay down. Lay down. She gets rammy sometimes, my Yorkie. So, this is your back piece. Now, this was developed by my husband, designed by my husband, and it was designed as such so you could dismantle it if you wanted to take it apart before and after your craft shows. So you'll see these hooks. They go in and go up like that. Then you have the bottom, which has just little indentations in it. And that gets put in and pushed down. Your next piece would be the one with the little indentations and the curves. The curves were made wider than the one I showed Monday night. And the reason we did that was so it would accommodate your bigger beads. And this was one of my biggest beads, so we measured that. Then you have your top rack. It goes in. Now, these are 6 inches. I'm just giving you this as a visual so you know what size fits in there. This is an 8 inch. And this is a 6 inch. So, I have a skewer here that I'm going to measure and see. I think this is a 12 inch. So, if you were to use the 4-inch ones, they would fit on the bottom shelf and they would fit on the top shelf. The distance between the bottom and here is almost 3 inches. Now this one here is a 12-inch. So if you were to use a 12-inch, that should fit fine. If you were to use it on the top, I would say it would depend on the weight of your beads, whether it would stay in there. It should stay in there because your bead is going to pull it and make it more upright, but definitely it would fit on the bottom. So I hope this helps. Please be patient. The beaded pen bar keychain rack is being altered. And the one I showed you on Monday night with the nurse that holds the badge reels, I'm revamping that whole board. We wanted a sturdier base so it would sit up for you. We wanted to use the nurse so you could show people that, hey, this is for nurse badge reels or teachers or whatever, and then have more holes on the side to accommodate more. So please stay tuned. That's coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. And I hope to see you soon. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.